What business can I do online to make money? 10 profitable online business ideas. With the rise of the digital economy, starting a business no longer requires a physical shop, large capital, or even quitting your day job. The internet offers countless opportunities to earn from your skills, passion, and creativity, right from the comfort of your home. If you're asking, what kind of business can I do online to make money? This guide will walk you through 10 profitable online business ideas, along with tips on how to get started. 1. Start a YouTube channel. What you do: create videos around a niche you're passionate about: education, entertainment, beauty, tech, or even daily life. How you earn: ad revenue, YouTube Partner Program, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling your own products or services. Why it works: video content is in high demand, and with consistency and creativity, you can build an audience and a steady income stream. 2. Affiliate marketing. What you do: promote other people's products using a special link and earn a commission on each sale. How you earn: sign up on platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Why it works: you don't need to create a product, just drive traffic to offers through a blog, social media, or YouTube. 3. Freelancing services. What you do: offer your skills: writing, graphic design, video editing, web development, translation, etc. How you earn: use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or TopTal to get clients. Why it works: it's one of the fastest ways to earn online using what you already know. 4. Sell digital products. What you do: create ebooks, templates, online courses, or music loops and sell them repeatedly. How you earn: use platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, Teachable, or Etsy for templates. Why it works: after the initial effort, digital products can sell passively for years. 5. Launch a dropshipping store. What you do: sell physical products online without holding inventory. Your supplier handles shipping. How you earn: build an online store using Shopify or WooCommerce and partner with dropshipping platforms like AliExpress or Spocket. Why it works: low startup cost and no need to stock products. 6. Social media management. What you do: manage the social media accounts of small businesses or influencers. How you earn: offer packages for content creation, posting schedules, and audience engagement. Why it works: every business wants to be online, but not all have the time or skills to manage social media. 7. Print-on-demand business. What you do: create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, etc., and sell them online. How you earn: use platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring that handle printing and shipping. Why it works: you focus on design and marketing while the platform handles the rest. 8. Blogging or niche website. What you do: start a blog around a topic you love: finance, travel, parenting, tech, etc. How you earn: ads, Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, selling digital products or courses. Why it works: it's a long-term game, but it can generate passive income for years. 9. Online coaching or consulting. What you do: offer your expertise in health, business, personal development, finance, or relationships. How you earn: book clients for one-on-one sessions or group programs using Zoom or Google Meet. Why it works: high demand for personal guidance and growth support. 10. Virtual assistant business. What you do: help busy entrepreneurs and professionals with tasks like email management, scheduling, or data entry. How you earn: set hourly or monthly rates and work remotely. Why it works: businesses are increasingly outsourcing to save time and cost. Tips for success in any online business. Start with what you know or enjoy. Keep learning. Online business trends change rapidly. Be patient. Real success takes time. Stay consistent. Growth comes with effort and reliability. Build your brand, whether it's personal or business-based. Final thoughts. The best online business for you depends on your skills, interests, and goals. Whether you're creative, analytical, tech-savvy, or people-oriented, there's a profitable online venture waiting for you. Start small, stay committed, and watch your efforts turn into income.